While there's a lot that we can do to prevent accidents on the road, emergencies can often creep up on us when we least expect it. Luckily, in the event of these vehicle mishaps, roadside assistance can help us navigate difficult situations with ease. These situations can cover anything from towing, battery jump starts, tire changes, and even lockouts. So here's how to get started. Number 1, understand your coverage. Your roadside assistance plan may not always cover the service that you're looking for, so try to keep these details in the back of your mind in case of emergency. Make sure to be aware of any additional costs for services outside of your basic coverage. Number 2, access roadside assistance. Whenever you get on the road, be sure that you have the roadside assistance contact readily available. As you request for help by calling or using the app, make sure you clearly explain your situation to the representative and follow all instructions given. You may need to provide the make, model, year, and license plate number of your vehicle, so have that information on hand. When assistance arrives, make sure to verify that they are coming from the right service provider and that their service matches what you requested. That way, you can save yourself the headache of dealing with services that aren't even part of your plan. Finally, number 3, follow up. Once everything has been situated, check to make sure the problem with your vehicle has actually been solved. If this issue might have required services that were outside of your coverage, take some time to understand these potential additional charges. Overall, dealing with unintentional accidents on the road can be a scary, or maybe just annoying, experience, but knowing how to navigate roadside assistance can help you get through these situations with ease. The most important thing is to stay calm and remember that no matter how intimidating this process may seem, help is on the way.